Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to ZAHRA and today I'll be showing you how to make this blue daisy flower pot using pipe cleaners step by step. For this project you'll need blue, yellow and green pipe cleaners and a scissor. First take your blue pipe cleaners and cut them into equal halves. Then take one piece, fold it and gently shape both sides inward to create a soft petal shape. Twist slightly in the center so it stays in place. You don't want to twist it too tightly because keeping the petals fluffy which makes the flower look fuller and softer. Repeat the same process for all the petals until you have enough to complete the flowers. Now let's make the leaves using the green pipe cleaners. Take the pipe cleaner and measure the length of the leaf using your finger as a guide. Then start twisting the pipe cleaner from that point and continue twisting it until you reach the end. Once that's done, gently shape the upper part into a pointed tip while keeping the bottom part slightly curved so the leaf looks more natural. Then take the remaining part of the pipe cleaner and insert it through the small spaces in the leaf to lock everything securely in place. Finally, gently shape the leaf using your fingers until you are happy with how it looks. Repeat the same process for the second leaf. Now for the stem, take a green pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Start twisting it gently about 2 cm from the end and continue making small twisted sections. We'll need 4 of these twisted parts to create the base of the stem. Once all 4 sections are done, gently shape them into a plus sign shape. Then take the remaining ends of the pipe cleaner and twist them together tightly to secure everything in place. Now for the center, take your yellow pipe cleaner and roll it tightly into a circle shape until you get the size you like. Then secure the end so it holds its shape nicely. Next, start attaching the petals around the center one by one. I like placing them evenly opposite each other first so the flower looks balanced and full. Continue filling in the gaps until the daisy looks nice and fluffy. By the way, the pipe cleaners I use are really high quality and extra fluffy, which makes the flowers look much fuller and prettier. These kinds of pipe cleaners are honestly not easily available in Kolkata, and I also sell them along with other flower making supplies on my website. So if you'd like to make these flowers yourself, you can order the materials directly from us. Finally, attach the flower onto the stem, add the leaves and place everything neatly into the pot. Since this is my first YouTube video, your support would genuinely mean so much to me. If you enjoyed watching, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner flower tutorials and vlogs of my small business journey as a student. That's the final result. Also let me know in the comments which flower tutorial you'd like to see next. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.